Failed during installation of Pillow, Python module, in Linux. I'm trying to install Pillow, Python module, using pip, but it throws this error. So as the error says, I tried. But it fails with. Any hints how to deal with it?
Thank you, Etnfits. In my case, CentOS, these libs are not available in the Yum repo, but actually the solution was even easier. What I did. And now Pillow's installation finishes successfully.
There is a bug reported for Pillow here, which indicates that libjpeg and slib are now required as of Pillow 3.0.0. The installation instructions for Pillow on Linux give advice of how to install these packages. Note that not all of the following packages may be missing on your machine. Comments suggest that only libjpeg 8 dev is actually missing. Pip, pippy, Pillow, 3.4.2. The latest releases of Pillow are available on Pippy as Wheels, the new standard packaging mechanism for Python. These pre-built packages include all necessary binary dependencies to allow Pillow to run and should be used if you want to install Pillow using Pippy. To use Wheels, you need to have a version of pip equals 1.4. If you are using an earlier version, pip version, upgrade pip using the following. Once pip is upgraded, pip install will use platform-specific wheel files by default if they are available. Use the following command to upgrade Pillow to the latest version available on Pippy. Ubuntu 12.04 LTS or Raspbian Wheezy 7.0. Ubuntu 14.04. Ubuntu 18.04. Fedora 20. The Fedora 20 equivalent of libjpeg 8 dev is libjpeg Devil. Mac OS X via Homebrew. On Mac OS X with Homebrew this can be fixed using. You may also need to force links lib using the following. Update April 2019. In Mojave the above will not work and you need to run the following as taken from this bug report on Pillow. Update July 2016. There is no longer a formula for slib available in the main repository. Homebrew will prompt you to install slib, which is a different library and will not solve this problem. There is a formula available in the dupes repository. You can either tap this repository and install as normal. Or you can install slib via Xcode instead, as follows. Thanks to Phoenix, Panos Angelopoulou, Nelson Varela, Benjamins and Cal in the comments. After these are installed, the pip installation of Pillow should work normally.
On Raspberry Pi 2, I had the same problem. After trying the following, I solved the problem. The solution is
the quickest fix is upgrade the pip. Did work for me. Sucesso, Tony!